That's me.
What's up guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm in California right now. I'm also filming outside. I'm on Nicole's balcony. I'm wearing a sweater because like you can do that here in California. In Arizona you can't really do that. You can do that at the night, but it's like 3 p.m. and like you can't do that in Arizona. I also got a coffee. It's my first time trying this coffee place. Pretty decent, don't know where I got it from. Also, I'm using a microphone right now, so shout out to Bryce for letting me use his microphone. There's a airplane. But I basically decided, bro, go away. I basically decided to film a get ready with me today because I need a video for tomorrow and I don't have one. So I decided to do a get ready with me because I need to do my makeup. I also don't have a mirror out here, so I'm gonna be using this mirror right here. I hope the lighting's fine. Bro, like I just don't understand like why. I wanted to film outside because like I watched a get ready with me one time outside on a balcony. It was really cute in LA because like you know it's nice outside. I can never film inside in Arizona. So we're gonna get ready today. I should have done my eyebrows off camera. We're gonna try and do my eyebrows on camera today. I hope my camera and my laptop don't die because I think that's literally what's going to happen. Everybody always asks what I use for my brows. I use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I don't really know how well this is gonna go on camera. It usually takes me 20 minutes to do my eyebrows. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid for trying to do this on camera when I know that my makeup takes so long. But I'm in LA right now. I'm here for 9 days. I'm really excited about it. I kind of missed my bed. I'm only in the first day. I got here last night and I didn't get to like Nicole's place until like 10. Bro, why? Like we don't even have a fucking airport over here. But I didn't even get here until like 10, and then whenever I got here I ended up not spending the night here. I spent the night with my other friend in his new house, and it's ginormous. No one was in the house. It was just us, and the whole entire house is like filled with windows, which is super freaking creepy, and I just could not fall asleep because like I'm in a mansion ass house with no one there except for me and him. We're both little scaredy cat. Like neither one of us is like the manly one in the friendship. But yeah, and so I could not fall asleep. I finally fell asleep around like 6, and then I got up at like 10, and so I haven't really been sleeping at all. I really need to take an Instagram picture. And I also need to make a video because I'm trying to be productive. I don't want to like slack off. Every single time I come to California I slack off and I never film videos, and I always say I'm gonna film videos, but I'm so freaking sick of these airplanes. They're so annoying. Damn, airplanes really go like super far up in the sky. Like I never realized like how far into the sky they went. Like I knew that they went high in the sky, but I never realized like how far they went until I sat there and watched the airplane take off. Okay guys, so update on my life. I found a plug outside, and so my laptop is all the way over there charging. I'm trying to see if I'm in focus because that's like the only way. Dude, LA is so... This is so annoying. Today, Mario had something to go do. He's going to the AMAs, like the Latin American Music Awards or whatever, and so I had to run errands with him today. I'm using my mirror over here, so sorry. But he made me come along with him and run errands with him and all that stuff, and I literally was stressed for him. Like that's very stressful. I kind of hope I never go to an award show because that just seems too much. But we went to his fitting and all that stuff, and Mario is just a stressor. Like he stresses out very, very easily, and then it causes me to stress out. But like why am I even stressing out because like I'm not going? But yeah, his outfit was so cute. His stylist did such a good job. He looked so good. He's there currently. That's why I'm back at Nicole's doing my makeup. I'm waiting for Bianca. Bianca's not even here. Like the whole crew is kind of split up right now. Yeah, my hands are like abnormally orange this time. I feel like they're always orange, but like I feel like they're super orange this time because the spray tan that I usually get at my spray tanning place, they didn't have it because they're moving locations, so that was all the way across the street, the one that I usually do. And so I had to do this one called like double dip, and so it basically sprays you 2 times instead of 1, and so that's why I'm like really dark right now. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's my concealer. LOL. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way because I only fit this foundation when I'm dark because I'm when I'm my natural skin color, I'm too pale. The lady said that there's not a shade in the Too Faced Born This Way that matches my paleness. They don't have any plans in LA. I really want to film videos. Like, bro, like, I really just don't understand why planes have to make that obnoxious ass noise. Like, they act as if, like, we don't see them coming. Like, bitch, we see you in the sky, bitch. We know that you're here. Like, you don't need to make grand entrance. Also, my skin has been tweaking recently. It's also just tweaking right now because every single time that I go to a new state or whatever, my skin starts to tweak, mainly because my face isn't like, you know, used to the weather. Like my skin is not used to California weather. Like my makeup actually looks so bad right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I think I need to just treat myself to a facial, make my skin feel better. So how is everyone's day? What's today? Today is Thursday. You guys are gonna see this video on Friday. If I even upload this, I probably won't. I'm gonna call Bianca. My skin's tweaking right now.
What?
Look at it. Look at my face. Look at my face. In real life. It's like clumpy.
Where? I see a little bit here.
Yeah, really bad right here, but you don't think on like
No,
my face?
I don't think anywhere else.
Are you lying to me?
No, nowhere else. Just like not even, you can't even tell until you pointed that out.
Really? So you don't think I should like turn the video off?
No.
Because I thought I should.
No, you're fine.
I've been cream contouring recently. As you guys have seen probably in the last few get ready with me. I have so much makeup on my face, it's actually disgusting. I don't really know what to talk about in this video. I feel like nothing has really occurred in my life other than the fact that I'm here. I still have absolutely no idea what I should be for Halloween. Like not a single idea, clue. Like I really don't know what I should be for Halloween. Halloween is taken very seriously for some reason, like in California. I don't really care for Halloween, so I'm not like obsessed with it. But like here it's like, bitch, I think I just went blind. It's a really big deal, you know? And so there's like multiple Halloween parties. Like there's a Halloween party tonight and like, bitch, I don't have a costume to dress up for 7 days. Okay, now I'm contouring my face. I mean putting bronzer on my face. There's like an eyelash literally in my eye, but I'm trying to make it not bug me. Comment down below if you guys have ever used tanning beds. I really want to know if you guys have ever used tanning beds. All of my friends have been using tanning beds recently. They all have like a tanning bed membership, which they're literally paying too much money for a tanning bed membership. But then I have to remember that like it's LA and like everything here is so much more expensive, but like what they're paying, bro, no one would ever pay in Arizona. But they've been doing the beds, but I kind of just think I'm like too pale. If you're like a fair girl and you use tanning beds, let me know your experience, because like I'm just like very like fair skinned person that I think I would really get skin cancer. Like I know it's already gonna give me skin cancer, but I feel like I would just double my chances of getting skin cancer if I did the beds, because I'm so fragile. Like my skin's already fragile. Now I'm baking my face. This is so difficult. I wish you guys could see how ghetto of a setup I have going on right now, because it's like kind of tragic. But yeah, I'm basically getting ready for an Instagram picture right now. We're not doing anything. Well, we're doing things tonight, but not until like 11. And it's literally 4. So I'm literally getting ready way too early. Bianca's recording me because she's a fake. I kind of just think I have too much products on my face. My face can't handle this much products. I forgot to put powder on my nose, above my mouth. Oh my gosh, the other day I was baking up here and I accidentally took off my eyebrow. Like I tried to bake down like the middle. I don't really know why. Like I don't know why I did that, but I did. And then I realized at the airport, well, I mean, like I kind of realized it whenever I was filming a video, and I sort of fixed it, but I didn't fix it that much. And so at the airport, bitch, it was so noticeable that like one eyebrow was so much freaking higher than the other one, and like it was more in than the other one. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I haven't eaten anything today. It's like 4. I had a breakfast burrito at 4 a.m. though, so but I probably should eat because I'm a fat bitch. So today, I don't know if I've ever done a get ready with me with this palette, but we're gonna use it today. It's the Morphe palette. The 15H palette. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Probably the look that I usually always do whenever I do wear this palette. This palette is really good. If you want to buy a palette right now, or you're looking for a palette to buy, if you're just bored and you want to spend some money, I definitely recommend this one. This one's really, really good. Why am I such a cake face ass bitch? Like I really wish I was like naturally pretty. Like one of those natural makeup. Yesterday I wore just only eyelashes. Like I wore like my face makeup. I did my face makeup and whatever, because I didn't know if we were gonna do something, and like I didn't want to hop off the plane like ugly and then like not be able to do anything until like 1 a.m. because you know I had to like make myself pretty. So I did my makeup. I also had to film a video the other day, but you guys will see this video probably before. It's a haul video, but it's a lot of clothing items, and so I just don't really have the attention span to edit. So you'll definitely see this video before, but you'll eventually see that video. So right now I'm just taking a kind of like an orangey color in my crease, or like a brown color. I'm gonna do like an orangey red look. It's basically just my go-to everyday look. It's basically just what looks the best on my blue eyes. Like it's just what looks the best, you know? Did my camera die? No. We're good. We're still going. I basically just apply a bunch of colors into my eyes, and then I blend like at the end. So if it looks really bad right now, it's fine. Trust me, it's gonna look so much better in the end. I kind of just pat down my colors and then blend later. I think it's just faster that way. I'm really lazy and I don't have time to take a color, blend it, take the next color, blend it. You might as well just pack on all the colors and then blend at the very, very end and hope for the best. God has been on my side recently, so I've just been winging it in life. Knock on wood, but we're gonna knock on metal, bitch, because I don't have any wood next to me. I hope you guys cannot tell how annoyed I am. Like, I hope I'm covering how annoyed I am really, really well. If I act like a human for 1 second, all the haters in the comments like come for me like, why is she in a bad mood? Why is she rude? Bitch, I'm a motherfucking human like you. I feel like that's what really bugs me about like a lot of people who like just randomly comment on my videos and like they're not even like a subscriber, or they're just like some random person. They're always like, she's in a bad mood. Why is she acting like this? Like, I feel like a lot of people forget to realize that like people who make YouTube videos and like people who put themselves on the internet are like every other human. We're all the freaking same, and we all have bad days and we all have good days and we all have ugly moments just like everyone, except for ours are broadcasted hundreds of thousands of people to see, and yours are probably broadcasted for yourself or someone else. This brush literally is not working good. This video is going to be called how to go from a 0.3 to a 1. Everyone always asks me to do like natural makeup tutorials, and honestly I just don't think I ever could do a natural makeup tutorial because I just look really weird in like natural makeup. Like, I look so much better and I only look good in like dark makeup, like very like dramatic intense makeup. I don't look good in like that everyday makeup. Like, that just doesn't fly with me. It does not look good. Trust me, I wish I was that way. I wish I could pull that off, but I just can't. Literally the thing that I hate the most about like vacation and like traveling is living out of a suitcase. I hate living out of a suitcase, like constantly having to take outfits out of a suitcase. Like, I just want to be able to see everything hung up, and I want to be able to throw everything on the ground after I'm done wearing it and not have to be clean and neat and organized. It feels really nice to be able to wear a sweater and not like suffocate to death. I've always wanted to film like a get ready with me like outside in Arizona, but it's literally just straight up too hot that I cannot. If these dogs eat my goddamn cord, poop on my cord, pee on my cord. Okay, so now I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. There's something in my eyeball and I think I'm gonna go blind. So I'm going with my mascara. My favorite mascara is this one right here. It's from It, and it's called the Superhero Mascara. It's the only mascara that actually makes me look like I have eyelashes. So I'm applying a little bit of that. We're gonna do that, and then I take brown mascara on my bottom just because it looks the best. I can't do like black mascara. So now I'm gonna apply blush, which is always the same for every single one of my makeup tutorials, so I'm not gonna go over that. Same with highlighter, literally always the same. I just have like a very boring routine. I feel like the only thing that ever switches on my get ready with me's is my eyes, so maybe I should just start doing my face and my eyebrows and then just doing like. So recently I've been really obsessed with this Sam Marcel highlighter, but I did not bring it. I basically rushed to pack. Like, I don't even know how I made my flight the other day. Like, I actually was convinced that I was gonna miss my flight because the airport usually only is like 20 minutes from my house, but there was traffic. My flight was like, I had to be at the airport during like rush hour traffic, and so it took like over an hour, and I was like, bro, I'm not gonna make my flight. I'm not gonna make my flight. Because I kind of packed late. I kind of just was being really irresponsible, and I waited to the last minute to do everything. I needed to film video before I went because there's this video that I wanted to post and I need to post before the time that I even get back to Arizona. And so I was like, okay, I need to film it before so like I can like, you know, edit it, whatever. So I literally had to film, pack, run errands, take a shower, get full on ready because I needed to film the video. And the video took like a long, like try on haul videos are like a very hard to make. Like, they seem very easy, but it's just a lot. So I'm basically gonna go off camera and I'm gonna apply my lashes, and then I'm probably gonna apply my lipstick, and then I'm gonna come back at the very, very end with the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys like me and you are new to my channel. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat because I'm in LA right now doing a lot of fun things. If you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in case I do not vlog, I post on my Snapchat and on my Instagram story a lot, so you guys can see like what I'm doing throughout the day, you know. Comment down below what you guys would like to see for me to do in LA because you definitely will see this video, and I'll still be here for like another like 6 days after this video is uploaded. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have like anything particular that you guys want to see, like whether I do it by myself, I film with Bianca, I film with somebody else, you know. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Been living this lavish, yes I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish.